So maybe it would be possible that we have less conflicts in the future because of this information in one culture about the other culture, that I get to know the other people in other parts of the world, and it's more dangerous for government to have a conflict with another government. Is that right? Or
just again the question.
Maybe it's possible with the help of the internet to have less conflicts.
Yeah.
Because we know each other in a better way.
Yeah, this is a good hope, but I don't think this will be real, because culture is just the end product of discourse. So a culture has to grow. Whenever you have a culture, you have a long history of talking to each other, of finding out what your meaning is when you're using words. So the internet will not be something like enhancement of global culture. I don't think so. The internet is not able to create a discourse which is really possible to create something like a culture. There will be a lot of subcultures, but not a global culture, because you cannot talk to anyone in the internet. So,
what do you mean when you say you cannot talk to anyone in the internet?
When we want to be in one culture, we have to figure out what we are meaning by using words. And it's a long process to create a culture. And we have not the possibility to meet anyone in the internet. So the global culture will be trivial or a lot of subcultures. So the probability in the net is far bigger that we create a lot of subcultures than one global culture.
But don't you see some kind of frame around all this? Kind of consciousness?
Yeah, but how complex is the frame? How deep is it going? So when we don't have automatic semantic solutions, ways to understand semantic in an automatic way, we are still close to discourse. And discourse is a person-to-person thing. And this cannot be done in the internet by a scale of millions and millions of people. So it will happen something like has happened in the US. You have on the one hand a lot of subcultures, and you have a quite, excuse me for this, a quite trivial surface culture. And the only thing which will happen in the internet is something like a basic surface culture and a lot of subcultures highly complex beneath. This is far more probable than everything else.